In this video, I will show you how you can transfer any asset of your choice on Trust Wallet. Now, you can swap any asset. So far, they're based on the same blockchain. Now, first of all, you can do this by clicking on this swap button right here. Now, this is one of the ways you can swap, or you can click on any of these assets right here. So now I will click on BUSD because that's what I want to swap. So I click on BUSD. Now I click the more options tab here and I see swap. So I click on swap. Now I click on swap BUSD. So now I click on this exchange button here because I want to swap BUSD to another currency. So now I search for the currency I want to swap by clicking here. Now I want to search for USDT by clicking there and searching. I type USDT BEP20. You can see it right here. So I click on it. Now I want to transfer all my funds in BUSD to USDT. So I click on 100% of the funds, which is right here. Now for some of the assets, they show you this approve button. So you need to approve your token. By approving your token, you allow the Trust Wallet to validate how much of a token you truly have. So I click on that approve BUSD. Now you can see the transaction details. You can see the network fee, which is $0.04. So I click on confirm button here. Now I put in my PIN. Now I've confirmed it, and you can see this as it pops up. You can see right here it's still processing. When it's done, you receive a message. Now you can see it has processed it. That's why I can receive this. Now it's approved, and you can see the swap button again. Now I click on this swap and I click on this swap BUSD. Now I do the exchange here. Now I click on 100% because I want to convert all the BUSD funds from there. Now I convert this to USDT. This is it. Theta USDT BEP20. Now I click on this 100% again because it's gone out. Then look at the amount I'll receive. This is the provider fee, $0.01 for the transaction fee. And also this is the maximum slippage. Now a slippage is the difference between the expected trade and the price which the trade is executed. So now I click on this preview swap to see the details of the transaction. Now this is all the details. This is the network fee, $0.32, and this is the provider fee. So I click on confirm swap here. I put in my PIN and it's processing. So when it's done, you see the notification here. As soon as it's done, you will see the transaction in your wallet. As you can see, this is my USDT. Before I started, it was now up to $4.6, but as you can see, I've transferred everything from the BUSD to USD. So that is how to swap your tokens on Trust Wallet. Have a nice day, guys.